Hey guys, it's Angel B and welcome back to my channel! So, as you can hear, as you can hear. Okay, so naririnig nyo naman yung boses ko na medyo paus ako ngayon. Hindi siya medyo, paus talaga ako since last week. Kasi I was absent at work for 4 days and then I needed to rest. Pero hindi ako nakapag-rest kasi minubog ko yung katawan ko kakasayaw. So, yun naman, as a dancer. Okay, so yun. Hanggang ngayon, pause pa rin ako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi ako gumagaling. Okay, so today, I'm going to bring you with me. It's like a day in the life of Angel B. Oh, feeling! So, hindi pa ako nakapagligo. So, I am going to take a bath. After that, pupunta ako ng dentist kasi magpapa-adjust ako ng braces. And then, lunch here sa bahay. I am with Ma'am Gab today kasi wala silang internet sa bahay nila. So, makiki-internet siya dito sa bahay namin kasi may gagawin siyang exam for the students. Kasi it's the third quarter na for the high school students. So, yun. After that, after lunch, magkikita kami mamayang hapon ng Ground Zero to just chill and eat. Yun. So, see you later. Bye! Okay guys, so change of plans. Hindi pa rin ako nakapagligo ngayon because bukas na lang pupunta ng dentist and I still have to reply sa mga students ko kasi last day of enrollment na and need ko silang i-guide muna. Also, magkikita kami around 3 p.m. and baka hindi na kami mag-abot mamaya if magpapa-adjust ako ngayon kasi ang daming pila for sure kasi it's Saturday and yung clinic ni Doc is yung whole day na clinic ni Doc is only on weekends. Kaya yun, bukas na lang, pipila na lang ako ng maaga. And yeah, so ngayon, work with me and Ma'am Gab. Okay. Hey guys, so we are on our way na to Banwa and Mom Gab is driving. Say hi.
Hi. Ha ha hi.
Okay, so we're going to meet Jisa and it's tatlo lang gali kami. Okay, wait lang, Tagalog. Tatlo lang pala kami. I don't know if yung iba sasama, but it's okay. At least makapag-chill lang naman. See you later again. Bye. Did you click the red button? Okay, so guys, we're here just walking around the Banwa and waiting for Jisa. My voice is very low because I'm shy. There's a lot of people here. Color. I don't have a color. Okay, I'll just put it here on my line. Look guys, there's a what they call that, ganit? Mobile data. Mobile Legends. Mobile car. Yes. Here, meron. It's a new sari-sari store. So if you wanna buy, I don't know. Here pala is the sari-sari store again. And here we have the feria. I'm really shy because people are staring at me and Guys, we're here at Glarvin's, oh no, National Medical Clinic and Glarvin's Pharmacy. So this is Mom Gab's family's pharmacy and clinic. So let's try to visit, or let's try to check who's in here. Knock knock.
Wow, the iPhone 7.
Sophie.
Check
Camera
it.
test. Camera test.
Ay, wow, shala.
See the quality.
It's cleaner than your future, girl.
Hello guys. Hello. Ang mahambal ko lang, ito namin magkaan kang ramen.
Ramen.
Yes. Pero I think we're gonna eat at Chill's place. Or not. Kaya
I
nagdiri-diretso
want the takoyaki.
But there's no takoyaki. Where?
Over there.
Ay, ito yun.
Hey guys, it's gabi na. And we're going home. I guess. Hindi ko sure. Kasi baka tatambay ulit kami sa plaza. So this is Sana King Grandstand that night. So meron pa dong mga tao naglalaro. Cute. Hey guys, so I'm home. Hindi na kami nakapagala after namin kumain kasi meron kaming kanya-kanyang gagawin pa. Also, si Ma'am Gab din is gagawa pa rin ng exam for the students. And para makapagpahinga na rin kami kasi chill lang naman yun yung kanina. Konting kwentuhan and then kain. So that's it for today. I'll see you again soon, guys. Bye!